Hi, Shirley from ShiFio Patterns here today, and I am going to show you how to make this gorgeous design. Couldn't think. It looks like a cable. I think it really does, but it's not a cable. So you don't need a cable needle to do it, which is a good thing. That's the front of it, and let's see. That's the back. Not a lot to see there. It's 13 stitches plus 2 extra stitches at the edge here, plus your 2 edge stitches. And it's an 8-row repeat, so it's not a huge amount. And I think it'd be quite easy to get into it if it's only 8 rows. Right, let's get started on this. I've got on my needle 2 lots of 13 plus 2 plus the 2 stitches plus the 2 edge stitches I have. Okay, so row 1 is slip your edge stitch, okay, and then purl 2 stitches, 1, 2, and then your repeat from here is knit 2 together, okay, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, SSK, so you slip, slip, put them back on, knit into the back. There we go, SSK, and then it's knit 2, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that's your repeat. So you start off with your edge stitch, purl 2, and then your repeat is knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, SSK, knit 2, purl 2. Okay, so we'll do that again. So it's knit 2 together, okay, and then it's knit 2, 1, 2, and then it's yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, and then it's SSK, which is slip, slip, then back on, get back on, and then knit them 2 together through the back loop, okay, and then it's knit 2, 1, 2, and then it's purl 2, 1, 2, and then your last stitch is a purl. Okay, so that was your row 1. Now I just threw it away. Row 2 is these wrong side rows are all the same, so it's slip 1, knit 2. That's what you start off with, and then the repeat is purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2, 1, 2. Okay, so that's your edge stitch, knit 2, purl 11, knit 2. So we'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2, purl your last stitch. I apologise there, say now. It's just sometimes arthritis is just like giving you a little kick and then you have to go out because it catches you unawares. Row 3 is slip 1, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, and the repeat is knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over needle, knit 2, 1, 2, SSK, slip, slip, back on, knit 2 together through the back loop. Okay, knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, we'll just go over that. So your edge stitch, purl 2, and then your repeat is knit 6, 2, 4, 6, yarn over needle, knit 2, SSK, knit 1, purl 2. Okay, we'll do that again. Knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yarn over needle, knit 2, 1, 2. Now SSK, slip, slip, knit. Okay, and it's knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, purl your last stitch. There we go. That was row 3. Okay, so row 4 was the same as row 2. So it's slip 1 and it's knit 2, and then your repeat is purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2. Okay, 2 edge stitches, purl 11, knit 2. Okay, purl 11, 1, whoops, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2, and your edge stitch is a purl 1. Okay, so that was row 4. Now we're going on to row 5. So row 5 is slip your edge stitch, purl 2, 1, 2, and then your repeat is knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2 together, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, SSK, slip, slip, knit into the back. Okay, then it's purl 2, 1, 2. We'll go over that. Completely lost today. Purl 2, right, start that again. Edge stitch, purl 2, okay, and then it's knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, SSK, purl 2. Got it right. So we'll do it again. Knit 2, knit 2, knit 2 together, okay, then it's knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, okay, SSK, slip, slip, knit, oops, then it's purl 2, 1, 2, oh, purl your last stitch, there we go. Yes, we're getting there, getting there, getting there, getting there. Right, okay, row 6. Oh, get my tail out the way. Okay, so again it is knit 2, 1, 2, purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Knit 2, purl 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2, purl 1. There we go. Now row 7, which is slip your edge stitch, okay, purl 2, 1, 2, and then your repeat is knit 1, okay, knit 2 together, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whoops, 6, purl 2, 1, 2. Okay, so your repeat is slip 1, purl 2, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 6, purl 2. There we go. We'll do that again. Knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn over, knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, purl 2, 1, 2, purl your last stitch. There we go. Now your last row, same as all the wrong side rows, are slip your edge stitch, knit 2, and then your repeat is purl 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2, 1, 2, again you repeat purl 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, knit 2, purl your last stitch. There we go. Okay, so that's your 8 rows, and that's all it is. And then you just repeat that 8 rows, and it ends up looking like this. I mean, what can be better? Easier, not difficult, really nice. I think it's really super. Very professional looking. People think you're a real expert if you knock this up on a cardigan or even a couple of panels somewhere, which would be quite easy to do. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, show other people how to do this stitch, and happy knitting.